the first place somebody's going to see you is out in the desert in Las Vegas. So tell me about ISC and what you're looking forward to out there.
Yeah, so if I'll take the first part of that, Pierre, then I'll pass that off. So, we're really excited, first of all, to be at our first in-person event at a trade show level this year. And we're showing our thin line product line, new family of turnstile products. In 2020, we developed a whole lot of new things. So we're going to showcase thin line, which is 4 new products in that family. Or showcasing our new Constellation, our radar-based product. We're super excited about what we're doing with that. And a couple of things that will be new to the show. So I'm very excited to come out and see everybody. Pierre?
Well, I think ISC West, being a presenter there, it's always great to not only present the topics, but to show the topics. I always believe in, when you're talking about advanced technology and you're about to show really how this is going to interact potentially with a client's requirements and needs, and you can show them this live in a demo, show them through the process of how this works. It's exciting, and of course, being live again is a huge thing. So, I was a judge this year with the new product showcase. A lot of great products, and frankly, I think Steve will be there next year with some of these new technologies and products. And I think that's the exciting part of it. You're working with a company that gets it and that wants to improve the chances of success of security and safety for the global community, the local community, and our country in general.